cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to stir fry some pork curry. I have with me approximately 250 grams of pork collar. Why I choose pork collar is because it has some nice distribution of fat among the lean meat. So that will make it very, very tender by itself. Now, of course, you cut it into slices. And let's look at how do we make the curry. Not difficult at all. First of all, you need to have this basic 3 kinds of powder. 2 ratio, today I'm using a teaspoon, yeah? 2 ratio of red chili powder, 1 ratio of coriander powder, and 1 ratio of turmeric powder. So 2, 1, 1. This will give you a combination what they call curry powder. This is the basic of it. Some people ask, Apa, if I don't have curry leaf, can I still make curry? No problem. This itself will give you very nice balanced curry flavor. Okay, and then we will also need some, let me focus. So this is, I have some minced garlic, ginger, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots. And we also have over here some minced tomato and some big onions, chunks. So let's give it some oil. You need to give it a little bit more oil every time you are cooking curry. Yeah, the powders is going to soak up all your oil. First of all, you want to saute your shallot, ginger, garlic, and also coriander roots. Saute this for a minute or two before we continue. We will come back shortly. So this is after sauteing for a minute or two. Next thing we can add in the minced tomato. Give it a few stir. And now I am going to lower down the heat to medium-low. Some of you already know what Apa is about to do, which is to add in the powders. Now, if you have to lower down the fire before adding in the powder. If not, your powder can get burnt extremely easily. Yeah. So, and then you can slowly raise the heat right now if you want to, but still don't use too high heat. I would normally use about medium, the highest, yeah, medium, to slowly saute this curry powder for a couple of minutes, 3 to 5 minutes before I continue. We can actually season the curry paste first with some salt, and I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee for both Malaysia and Singapore. And I'm going to just add in. This will give it some umami flavor. Whoops. A little bit too much. Use a teaspoon next time. It's okay. Extra flavor. I don't need 5 minutes. This is only about 3 minutes. I think it's good enough. Next thing I'm going to do is to add in the pork slices and the yellow onion. If you find it's a little bit too dry, feel free to add in some oil. Wow, very fragrant. You can marinate your meat with some salt and soya sauce if you want to. Next thing, I'm going to add in some hot water and let it reduce by itself. I'm going to add in some milk. If you have coconut milk, you can also add in coconut milk, even better. This to emulsify the curry. And I'm going to put in, now we are going to put in the remaining of the seasoning. I'm going to put in some salt, a bit of sugar, Give it a little bit of light soy sauce. And I will let this simmer for probably another 3 to 5 minutes, then it is basically done. Alright, this is after simmering for another about 2 to 3 minutes. I think it's good enough. You don't have to overcook your pork. Actually, when I was young, they usually use wild boar for this particular dish. My pork curry. Wow, so good. Alright, so here's my very simple pork curry. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.